Hello my lovelies, hope you're all fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make daddies or chin chin. So I'm adding 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl, then a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything very well because we want the baking powder and the flour to combine very well together. Then add half a cup of sugar and mix very well. I'm adding some grated ginger and some lemon zest, and for each I'm using half a teaspoon. I've now added 50 grams of butter and I'm going to mix very well. The butter helps us to have very soft daddies. This snack goes very well with tea. You can have it for breakfast or evening tea. They're very tasty, and trust me, if you have a bowl of them, you can eat them throughout the whole day. I'm now adding 2 eggs to the flour and I'm going to mix it very well. When I was still in my teens, this is one of the first things I learned how to make because I was in boarding school, and all those who've ever been to boarding school, you can relate. Most of us used to make our own snacks when going back to school. I'm now adding 160 mils of milk to the flour and I'm going to mix everything very well together. Now that I've finished adding all the ingredients to the flour, I'm going to mix everything very well. Then I start kneading the dough. Add some little water in case it is needed. In case it's not, just keep on kneading until our dough is together and soft. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil to the flour, and then I'm going to mix everything very well because I'm adding the cooking oil because it's going to make our daddies very soft. Forgive my voice, it's not so clear today and in the past few videos because I have a terrible cough. You people should start praying for me because I've had a cough for like 2 weeks now and some flu. You know your dough is ready when it is not sticking on your hands. As you can see, it's very soft and it's not sticking on the hands. After kneading the dough, you can keep it for like an hour to rest, and then you start the rest of the process after. But I'm not going to keep mine because my tummy can't let me. Roll the dough nicely and then start cutting into square pieces. You should cut small pieces because as you fry, the dough will rise. I've written down all the measurements and all the ingredients that I've used in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Also, write your comments about what you think about this recipe or what you would want me to make. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I'm using about 1 liter of cooking oil, and when the oil is ready, just start adding the daddies or chin chin to the hot cooking oil. It doesn't have to be too hot, because if it's too hot, they will just get brown and they won't be ready inside. This is like the first batch, so as you can see, they are browning, and then I didn't show them when I was removing them. So this is the second batch of the daddies. As you can see, they are also starting to brown a little. Just give them time and let them cook until they are fully brown. Then you can get them out of the pan. So this is what we need. Just let them to cook slowly in the oil, and then you remove them afterwards. This is how they look like. This is the color we are looking for. They look very nice and yummy. Hope you've liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.